Alright, welcome to exercise 7.3, which is configuring the iSCSI Initiator. This is found in the Configuring Advanced Windows Server 2012 Services R2, part of the Microsoft Official Academic Course in Preparation for Exam 70-412. We're working on Lab 7, which is configuring and optimizing storage, and we've reached exercise 7.3. This is actually the second time I'm trying to record this, so I seem to be running into some issues. So if you looked at my previous video, we have actually already done this. We've already deleted and configured the iSCSI target. Well, I'm going to redo some of those steps in this video just to make sure that I've got everything covered. So actually I'm kind of backtracking a little bit on myself and going back to exercise 7.2, which is creating and configuring this iSCSI target. So I've already removed everything. This is server 2. If I click on discovery, you can see everything is gone. Volumes and devices, everything's gone. There's nothing in favorite targets and nothing in targets. So that's server 2. Then if I go into server 1, tools, initiator. Again, this one's completely empty. There's nothing here either. So everything has been removed here. So I'm going to go back and do exercise 7.2 first. So on storage 1, okay, here's my server manager on storage 1. I'm going to go into File and Storage Services. And then click on iSCSI. And you'll see there's nothing here. If I scroll down, should be nothing here as well. I just want to double check the other server 1. And then server 2. Okay, so I'm going to minimize this and minimize server 1. So I'm in storage. And now I'm going to go ahead and click on the link. And click on the link. And I'll go ahead and click on next. And this is going to be QUORUM drive. And then next. It's going to be a fixed size of 2. And then next. Now I already have a cluster group 1 and a cluster servers. I'm going to add a cluster group 2 here. And then click on next. We'll call this cluster group 1A. And then next. And then add. And then select to enter, so here, IP address, it's going to be 192.168.1.60. Okay. And then we are going to add, no, I've already done that. Then next. Next, create. And then close. And then under tasks, we want to do a new. Next, data drive. Next, 8. Next, next, finish. And then close. Okay, now we're going to go back to server 1 and go in the Initiator, Tools, and then Discovery, and we're in Discovery tab. Click on Discover Portal. Type in 192.168. Actually, I think I already did this. 168.1.80. And then we'll go ahead and do Targets tab. And I'm going to click on Refresh. On the Targets tab, and then click on Connect, and then OK. Connect. No. Okay, the problem is these are both going to cluster 1 instead of 1A. Assign. Group 1. Next, assign. Close. Assign. 1. Next, assign. Close. So now they're both connected to cluster group 1. I'm going to click on Volumes and Devices and Auto Configure. Okay, and we'll go ahead and do OK. And on server 1, Tools, Computer Management, Disk Management, and I still don't see them. Tools, Computer Management, disk management. There they are. So I have to right click, online, right click, initialize, and then OK. Right click, new simple volume, next, 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 QUORUM, drive, and then next, finish. Close out of this. Okay, right click, online, right click, initialize, and then OK. Right click, new simple drive, new simple volume, next, 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 data drive, and then next, finish. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and close this, cancel, close. It's not seen yet. It's okay. Minimize this, server 1, and go here for storage. Okay, and that is the end of this exercise and the end of this video. Next video, we're actually going to go into configuring a tiered storage, which is part of exercise 7.4.